Okay, so this is part 2 of the heart dissection video. So I actually was able to find the inferior vena cava, which is on the posterior side. It was just under, right here, a lot of fat, a really fatty heart. So now we're going to go on the inside of the heart. So I'll show the pectinate in the inner wall of the right atrium. So this is the left atrium, right atrium will be on this side. So it's going to be like this muscle fiber right under the auricle area. If you can see it, use my probe. It's going to be a muscle right here. Show the myocardium at the right and left ventricle. So left ventricle, muscle, right. This is just the muscle on the right side of the atrium, on this side. Obviously not as thick. You can kind of tell. So it's the left ventricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. A lot thicker. So why is the myocardium the left ventricle 3 times thicker than that of right ventricle? Because when it pumps, the left ventricle is pumping and gets a lot more force, a lot more of the pressure because it's having pumping through the body. With the right ventricle, the blood is kind of more or less passively growing up to get oxygenated. So this is pushing against the body, pushing against so much pressure, having so much more stronger. Point at the trabecular cardia and the inner surface ventricle. So this is a bumpy appearance on the inner surface of the ventricles. It's kind of hard to tell without having a good heart, I guess you would say. But it's just basically the inner lining of the surface of the ventricle. It's kind of bumpy. You can see, there we go, right there. The bumpy surfaces. Kind of bumpy right there. Show the interventricular septum. So that's what divides the right and left ventricles from each other. So the septum will be this guy right here. The middle part is the septum. This is the septum right there. Combined septum. Show the bicuspid valve and the mitral valve. So this kind of got fallen apart, but the mitral valve is this one right here. If you can see that little dark spot right there. That is a valve right here. This is part of it that kind of it fell off. And then the other side, the valve is right here. The darker spot again, right there. You can see that. This is the chordae tendineae. So we kind of push it away so you can see it better. This would be the chordae tendineae, the valve right there. That on the left side is, sorry, on the right side, my left, it's the right side of the heart, is the tricuspid valve. And then on the left side is the mitral valve. So this is the mitral valve.